Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade lobster ravioli. First, combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour with 3 large eggs on a clean surface or in a stand mixer. Knead the mixture until a smooth, elastic dough forms, which usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes. Cover the dough tightly with plastic wrap and let it rest at room temperature for at least 30 minutes. This resting period is crucial for a tender pasta. Next, let's prepare the delicious lobster filling. Gently cook about 8 ounces of fresh lobster meat, then finely chop it. In a bowl, mix the chopped lobster with 4 ounces of creamy ricotta cheese. Add 1 tablespoon of fresh chives, a squeeze of lemon juice, and a pinch of salt and black pepper to enhance the flavors. Ensure the filling is well combined but not overmixed to maintain the lobster's texture. Now it's time to assemble your beautiful ravioli. Roll out your rested pasta dough into very thin sheets, ideally about 1/16 of an inch thick. Place small 1 teaspoon mounds of the lobster filling about 1½ inches apart on one half of the pasta sheet. Moisten the edges around the filling with a little water, then fold the other half of the dough over. Press firmly to seal, removing any air. Finally, let's cook and serve your homemade lobster ravioli. Bring a large pot of salted water to a rolling boil. Carefully drop the ravioli into the boiling water and cook for 3 to 4 minutes, or until they float to the surface and are tender. Serve immediately with a simple lemon butter sauce and a sprinkle of fresh parsley. For more great kitchen tools and deals, including those leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, check out the links in the description below. Enjoy your exquisite meal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.